As a beginner blogger, you may feel like you need all the help you can get. Luckily, there are plenty of tools out there to help you get started. Here are 10 easy tools for beginner bloggers. 1. WordPress. WordPress is a popular blogging platform that is easy to use and has plenty of features to help you get started. 2. Blogger. Blogger is another popular blogging platform that is easy to use and has lots of helpful features for beginners. 3. Tumblr. Tumblr is a great platform for beginners because it is simple to use and has a variety of different themes to choose from. 4. Medium. Medium is a great way to start writing and publishing articles online. It has a clean and simple interface that makes it easy to use. 5. Squarespace. Squarespace is a great option for beginner bloggers who want a simple, clean platform to start with. It's easy to use and has beautiful templates. 6. Quora, a place where people ask questions. You can get lots of content ideas for your blog. Additionally, you can also open a Quora space and use it as a blog. 7. Google Trends. Here you will find what topics are trending and you can write about them. 8. Portent title generator. The title is the first thing people gets attracted to. So to get suggestion about your title, and this free tool is very helpful. 9. BuzzSumo. If you are not sure what to write, then this tool will give you lots of information related to your topic. This will help you to do your research better. 10. Answer the Public. Just type the topic you want to write about, and this site will give you the list of questions people are about the topic. 11. Content curation. The practice of curating has its roots in the museum industry. It is difficult to keep your content calendar full and get your visitors engaged. Here are some tools which can help you. Pocket helps you to save and read later. Flipboard already has curated news as it is an aggregator. Koo finds original content for sharing on social media channels. In Link you can create web pages, social media bio links, and many more. Apart from these tools, there are many other tools, and use them as per your need.